Good morning, everyone. Welcome here to my channel. How's everybody's doing there? And I miss you all here. Ay, nahulog yung ano ko. But anyway, for today's vlog, I would like to share. I'm doing some unboxing. One of the item that I get in eBay. But anyway, let's see what's inside here. Nowadays, online shopping is very common. So for me, I like to shop. My favorite store is eBay. Okay, let's see what's inside here. The only thing that I like in that online store eBay is very fast. So, I have some. Oh, Samsung. Thank you, eBay. Natutuwa lang kasi ako mahilig ako magbibid sa mga auction. Natutuwa ako. Ooh, I have some. Look at that. This is excellent. Excellent condition. Oops. So, ang loob ng box ay mayroon tayong charger. Of course, yung adapter niya. Here. This is Galaxy S6. Nanalo na naman ako sa auction. Napanalunan ko sa auction. Look this. Wow! So, it's stunning and beautiful. May unboxing. Yeah. Nakakatuwa Let's see what's inside this one. Ang ganda-ganda niya. Ay, naka-ready na siya. Yan ang aking type. Naka-ready na siya. Let's see. Oh, my favorite app. My favorite app nowadays is YouTube. Oh, it's need to be updated. So anyway, simple only. My unboxing for my Galaxy S6. So there's some charger and adapter plus the unit plus the box. So napakadali lang po siya. So kailangan pa siyang i-update. Kailangan ko mag-sign in. So guys, may pang ano na naman ako sa inyo. May pang tulong na naman ako. But anyway, thank you so much, eBay. At magiging future partner kita dito sa aking YouTube channel. I'm waiting that I am the partner of eBay, that one of my goal, one of my dream, okay, that the eBay is my partner here in my channel. So, yon guys, nag-update pa po siya. This is Galaxy S6. Is dust proof and pwede po siyang i-immerse sa water. It's also waterproof din po siya. So that's it. This is our Galaxy S6. Napakaganda niya. Nag-update pa po siya. So medyo, ewan ko, matagal-tagal pa siya ng konti. So anyway, i-update ko na lang kayo sa mga susunod kong vlog about this one. So that's it for my unboxing of my Galaxy S6. Thank you guys. Have a wonderful day. God bless. Bye-bye.